In the bustling heart of Kigali lives a young man named Jean de la Croix. Jean, a 22-year-old, lives without arms, a condition he was born with, yet he does not consider himself different. As the sun rises, so does Jean, starting his day with the same warmth that the morning light brings. In the kitchen, he turns the routine into an art form, preparing meals with diligence and skill. Even the simple act of dressing, Jean transforms into a testament of self-sufficiency and adaptability. Personal grooming, a mundane task for most, becomes an extraordinary demonstration of human adaptability. Jean's spirit fills his home, every corner reflecting his willpower, his tenacity. Like any of us, Jean connects with the world through his phone, a testament to the universality of the human experience. In his community, Jean is a beacon of resilience and optimism, touching lives and inspiring young minds. As the day ends, Jean's spirit remains undimmed, like the radiant Kigali sunset. But there is more to Jean than meets the eye. He's not just an inspiration in daily life. He's also a highly skilled professional Taekwondo athlete. With his incredible determination and talent, Jean has won multiple medals in esteemed international competitions, proudly representing his country. Jean de la Croix, a testament to the power of resilience, turning obstacles into opportunities. Every day, he paints a picture of life that redefines what it means to be normal. Join us, subscribe, and share Jean's story. Together, we can inspire the world, one story at a time.